Hello, in front of me I've got 70Mi Dashcam 1S-D06. In this video I'll show you how to use voice control. So basically we've got only 4 commands: take photo, record video,
start recording emergency video,
turn screen display off, and turn display on. In order to use them, simply say it out loud. Wait until the recording is finished.
Recording complete.
And let's start again. Turn screen off.
The display is on.
Turn screen on.
The display is on.
Turn screen off.
The display is on.
Take photo. Take a photo. Record video.
Start recording emergency video.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.